So you have to apparently lay the shoes over here. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Look, Mama.
Shh. Okay. Ah. So.
Look, we go big. The fridge is quite big.
Yeah.
And there's the kitchen here.
A kitchen?
See the kitchen here. Come.
Where's the kitchen?
You got a chair.
Where's the kitchen?
Yeah, it's nice.
Kitchen is here. Is here.
Is this only our kitchen?
Yeah, we share the kitchen with some others.
Others?
Ah, this is the sharing kitchen.
Yeah, sharing. Yeah.
So I'm not allowed to open. This door needs to be open.
Yeah.
What if Thomas goes out? I'm not to put it back.
Which
Up,
one?
down.
They need
that
to
way.
keep the doors locked them from inside.
Oh.
No, I
You
didn't know.
got this is apartment
do
1, 2,
that?
3, 4 around. You see?
Tommy, this way. Tommy, this way.
Okay, that's the toilet. What is that?
No.
Disgusting.
It's for cleaning.
Tommy,
This is not us. This is another apartment. This is us.
Tommy, come.
Okay.
We couldn't put them to the freezer.
Okay, let's go to it.
Kitchen.
Mama, this is the fridge. And look,
It's a bit empty.
Door's locked.
Daddy, look, there's a TV.
Oh yes.
Look at this. Daddy, look.
Ah.
Daddy,
And look,
look.
Tommy get his own slide.
Wow. This is this. Tommy,
He got his own slide.
Tommy, look.
Oh, okay. But is it for everyone? I
No,
think.
it's someone else there. It's for two. Sharing the two looks like.
Away.
What if they go into other room?
Daddy, this is
That's the problem.
Oh, we got the same house in Peterborough, Matthew.
Wow,
Tommy,
this is fantastic.
Matthew, don't scream.
I can do this.
Is it good?
And I can plot. Plot?
Shh. Wait, Matthew.
Tommy.
I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. This is where we are. This is the main entrance. If you go in, and you have got a toilet over here. Don't worry, you can still close it to have your privacy. So yeah, it's just this is not for fresh air. You've got a clean toilet here. You've got tissues over here, and this is a small shower. It's okay, and you've got a hair dryer here. You've got nice towels, and they give you this soap. It's a lovely sink. We just put our things over here, and this is the room.
Yeah, we go.
We put everything here because we'll be here for a week. There are some things in the fridge as well. We just pack them. There is a dryer if you, I think, yeah, if you do laundry. There's another hanging thingy over here. This is the thing, I believe this is the place if you're having a dinner or lunch, you can just sit over here. And you've got another space up there, you can put whatever you want. And there's this lovely painting and this lovely side table. And I'm sorry there's a lot of mess over here, but the bed is lovely. And you've got this nice armchair and another drawer where you can put your things. This is how the room looks like, and you've got two doors because there's another family over here. And if you go outside, this is like a lounge. This is how it looks like, guys. You've got a prayer area for the kids. On the other side is for another family. So this is where we'll be sitting maybe in the morning for tea or something to drink. This is a very lovely view. There are another buildings. As you can see from there, there's like a mountain. And yeah, lovely setting. So yeah, so I will try to vlog as much as possible. Yeah, Tommy, are you happy? Are you happy, Tommy? Are you happy, Tommy? Are you happy, Boo Boo? Are you happy? Yeah? Yeah? Okay. So that's it, guys. Called Fulda Pension. Tommy. No, Tommy, you can't go there. Yeah, you just be over here. It's a lovely you've got a house. Bye-bye.
This is the hotel, the family one, so it's kids with the kids and noise.
Hold him, why is he walking? Hold him, the man, where is he? So come on.
Daddy, where are you?
It's for dining area.
Daddy!
Yeah, lovely place.
Daddy, where is it?
This is
Daddy,
for
just come in.
this is for the kids.
Tiger Mama Joe's.
Mm.
This is the Tiger Mama Joe's.
No, Tommy, no, Tommy. Ahoj, ahoj. Ne česky.
Yeah. Go on the stairs. Oh, now this is the big. Je to? To hned zkusíme.